Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay guys, today is finally the day I'm going to be announcing the winner of my giveaway of the Nude Liquid Lipstick Vault by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am so excited for the winner. Now to find out if you won, make sure you stick around till the very end of the video where I will reveal who the winner is. I'm so happy and excited for you. Okay, but before we jump into that, guys, I wanted to do a little quick JSC update with you. There's some new announcements that Jeffree has made, and you know here we are the TMZ of JSC, so I wanted to definitely talk with you guys about that. By the way, guys, if you're interested in this glam, a couple of days ago, I did a full get ready with me featuring this look, which I did with the Blood Sugar palette. So if you're interested in that, definitely, guys, check out that video. I will have that linked in the description section. So yeah, guys, make sure you stick around to the very end of the video to find out who the winner is. Was it you? And let's jump in now and talk about some Jeffree tea. All right, so yesterday, Jeffree has been gone for so long. He was away on it, not so long, but he was on a trip to where he newly resides. One of his new houses is in Wyoming, and he had a little vacation there, so he didn't really spend too much time on social media, but he's finally back, and yesterday he put out this Instagram story.
All right, y'all, enough about Wyoming. I'm excited because we have a new launch coming very soon. I also have a new lipstick product launching in early October, a new product. I am so excited. We are, of course, if you didn't hear, we are retiring lip ammunition. It is going goodbye forever, and we are upgrading the component. We are making it more luxurious, and we are doing a whole new formula. So I'm really excited about that. And it's time for me to make a new YouTube video, so that will be up in the next few days. Bitch, I'm back in LA, and I'm ready to fucking slay.
Yes, guys, we are getting a brand new lip product. I am so excited because I personally really love the lip ammos. I only have one shade, and that's Celebrity Skin, but I almost like it more than the liquid lip formula. I cannot wait to see the new formulation. I feel like he's gonna make it even more buttery, so much smoother. Even if you guys are interested, I could do a direct comparison, because even if these are not sent to me in PR, I'm gonna be buying a bunch, of course, so that I can review for you guys. So let me know, guys, if you're interested in seeing a video of a direct comparison to the old formula, the new formula. I can go in depth like I always do. We could talk about the packaging, do some real close-ups. I am so excited to do that for you guys. Definitely give me a like, leave me a comment, and let me know if that's something that you would like to watch. But another thing, guys, so he said also a new launch is coming. Now, my obvious first thought was this is gonna be for the concealers. He's already talked about how he's doing a new campaign for them. They've done a shade extension, which bombed Jeffree. It already had 30 shades, I believe. So he added even more, even a few in between. He always, guys, when he gets suggestions from his customers, he always heeds to them. He always makes the changes he needs to. So he filled in some of the shade gaps. I think a few people weren't covered. If you guys are curious about the concealer formula, I did a review a very long time ago. I can link that up here, but I am planning on doing a brand new review when the shade extension comes out. So definitely stay tuned for that. I am really excited for that. But guys, haven't you noticed something very particular about Jeffree? He always finds a way to absolutely surprise us. What if with this launch we're getting something else? What if it's a whole new, I don't know if it would be like a whole new launch with 2 new eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, and all that. I do think maybe he's gonna spice it up. What if he's also gonna be dropping the foundation at this time? What if we're finally getting that serving face palette, which I've theorized in the past about before? What do you guys think? Like, do you think it's just gonna be the concealers, or do you think he's gonna surprise us with something and something's gonna come out that we've been waiting for so long? We know there's a setting spray in the works. We know there's a mascara in the works. Maybe he'll couple this with the concealer. I don't know. What do you guys think? I definitely want to hear your thoughts down below. And now, what you guys have been waiting for, drum roll, the winner is, bam, I'm gonna throw her up right here. Thank you so much for your love, your support, your kindness. I am so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for each and every one of my subscribers. I love doing giveaways for you guys. It's one of my joys. Please, guys, if you're interested in seeing more, leave me some comments down below. Subscribe, like. The more you guys subscribe, the more you guys like and leave me comments, I can keep doing these type of giveaways for you guys. I thoroughly enjoy doing them, and I know you guys do too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, give this video a like. please leave me a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!